Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. What we have here is a set of all my life I had to fight hands. Yes. Yes, Mom, I love you. Yes, I'm not done, Mom. I have to bake you. I have to cook you, Mom, okay? Like it's like burnt barbecue ribs or something, Mom. Your hands look like, boy, if I don't tell you, if I gotta tell you one more time, then go sit down. I'm not playing with you. That's what those hands looking like. Okay? Them hands are looking like corns and bunions on them, okay? Okay, Mom? I gotta bake them. Love you dearly, Mom. You know what I'm saying? I know they gonna get you all nice and right. You know what I'm saying? But those hands are looking like you've been hitting bricks all your life. Love you, Mom. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. The proper introduction. I know you guys probably got a kick out of that. Matter of fact, give this video a thumbs up for Bae coming on here to do a slight voiceover, even though it turned into a I'ma get you roast type of scenario. But this is my mother-in-law, so she came to get her nails done, so that is why he made all those comments before me. But that's what they do. They do it out of love. It's nothing bad. So give this video a thumbs up for Bae coming on here to do a voiceover. Yay, Bae! So as you can see, I am prepping the nails. I am getting all of the dead skin from around the cuticle. I am shaping them. She is going to get a dip set done today. So she is going to get those done. So I'm going to be applying tips to her natural nails as well, so you'll see me do that shortly, and I will be back once the clip comes up. Okay, so I am going to be applying some clear nail tips. So I'm basically going to be sizing the nails, and you want to make sure that when you are sizing for nail tips that you size them from sidewall to sidewall of your natural nail. So the nail glue that I'm also using is from Kiss, and I did get this brush on nail glue from Walgreens. You can get it definitely from the Dollar Tree. I know I have seen that before too. And I also use another brand of Kiss, which is called Maximum Speed. So I also use that one as well. So we're going to apply the tips, and then she wants them really short, so we are going to cut those down as well. So I did lose a lot of footage from me doing this set, but however, if you are interested in me doing a dip set, I will link that video down below, so that way you can see all the steps that I went through in order to do dip nails. So these are super cute, and they are white and pink, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to also follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7. and leave any comments down below if there's any videos that you want to see. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.